Innovation's a lagging indicator of experiments run. Like, how many experiments as leaders do you run each week? That's a classic reflective metric. You want to be really intentional with how we have these experiments. And so, while we want to talk a lot about innovation, we don't necessarily have very clear mechanisms or tools by which to track that and really hone in our collective intelligence. What are the number of experiments that I've run each week? What are the number of experiments my team has run in a week? And as a result, the downstream consequence is maybe the same mistakes are actually repeated. Maybe we become a little bit more risk avoidant because there's no clear sign of experiments. One leader I spoke to would actually send out every fortnight an experimental log. This is where that came from. They sent out, hey, here are the experiments I ran these 2 weeks. This is what failed, this is what worked, this was personal. And over 6 months, it took a while, then his team started to actually reply. Here are the experiments I'm running. Really interesting, starting to really house this and have an artifact. What is the experiment I'm gonna run this particular week? Record the learnings. What did I learn? Be really mindful of confirmation bias. You're running an experiment not to prove your hypothesis, you're looking at it to actually learn from it. Whether it's right, wrong, works, doesn't. Share it with your team, and then obviously rinse and repeat.